Well, you know, say, even though things work out for you, you still have more to work out. And Lily girl, very soon, you're going to have to run to Smaddy Head. And with that, you're going to have to make a decision. And you, Bubbles, always on the doubles. I hope you're paying strong, you know. But you're going to have to make some decision too. Because you know you're the backbone for this. All of this.
Yes, sir.
And you, Mr. Boss, man. Troubles are many. About 3 truckload. You see, any man say you create, and you have to go tap it.
So, we finish with the biology lesson.
Biology. Mr. Mullins, Mr. Mullins, Mr. Mullins. Tough like a rocky, and some rockology. When you take care here, I'm going to listen to the woodpecker them down there, so. Take care.
You see what happens when you involve yourself with
No, man. Say it.
me? Say what?
Sir.
So you have
Pop, what is going to happen with Minister Daly?
We're going to have to find a way to send him on extended leave without raising too many red flags. We can probably tell him, you know, the best thing is to tell the truth, that he's on the verge of a little family problem and he wants time to sort it out.
That means Marcus Wallace is going to be eligible for his seat.
That is if Daly doesn't wish to be vindictive. He could always make out a case that Marcus's history of mental...
Oh, that case. But wasn't he legally discharged from the mental institution?
Between you and I don't think so. I think Carlton had a lot to do with that.
Oh, I see. But if he goes back in the seat, I believe that he will be in a better position to have a conversation with.
Oh, but the dictate of what is going to be said has to come from us. We will write the script. He will simply, pardon the pun, act.
Alright. There's an issue that I need to talk to you about. One of the ministers was to be in attendance of 37 meetings, and he only attended 1.
That needs to be brought to the public's attention. It is the public that's paying him. And with the recent increase, the least he could do is go sit down in place of business and doing work.
So what do we do? How do we bring this to the public?
Simple. Put Goldie on it.
Okay, I'll touch base with her.
What do you mean? You feel like she has to somebody else?
Because that's something she told me the other day.
Something like what?
She tell me say somebody come look for her down at the shop.
She just come out and admit that, sir?
And I really admit she admit it, you know. She more like to give it herself.
Next thing, you need to get in touch with Pearl because I think she's planning to go rogue.
In fact, I think she has gone rogue, but we're going to have to handle it. Bring her back into the fold gently. This is me. All her upset and emotions is aimed at me. So let me deal with this.